So yeah, I'm back with another video. Today we're into Machine Gun Funk by Biggie Smalls, RP to him. But I never heard this song, so this is my first time. And I don't really like Biggie, but this was requested. Shout out to the person who requested it. But drop a like if you're watching, and I know you are. Subscribe if you're new, and hit the bell to be notified when I upload, because what's the point of subscribing and not knowing when I upload? But we finna go ahead and get into this, and I'll see y'all when the video starts. So guess what, y'all? It's on, bro. You kind of sound like Ice Cube a little bit. You sound like Ice Cube for real. With a deeper voice.
To stop all the snitches from staying in my business. What is this? Relentless approach to know if I'm broke or not. Cause I joke and smoke a lot. Don't mean I don't tote the Glock. 16 shots for my niggas in the pen until we motherfucking meet again. I'm doing rhymes now. Fuck the crimes now. I'm on the app. I'm real hard to find now. Cause I'm knee deep in the beat.
Lyrical for
in the
real.
Land Cruiser Jeep with the Mac 10 by the seats. For the jackers, the jealous ass crackers in the I make you prove that it's bulletproof. Hold your head, cause when you hit the bricks, I got gin, bad bloods, and bitches sucking dick. The fuck, baby. So I guess you know the story, the rap side, crack side, how I smoke bumps, smack bitches on the backside. Let's stop. The place with my head pressed, 50 shot clip, if a nigga want test. The rocket launcher, Biggie stomped ya, high as a motherfucking helicopter. That's why I pack a Nina, fuck a misdemeanor. Beating motherfuckers like Ike beat Tina. What's love got to do when I'm ripping all through your home? Strapped like
singing
but I don't swing guns. I got bags of funk and it's selling by the tons. Niggas wanna know how I live the back life. Making money, smoking lights like crack pipes. It's type simple and plain to maintain. I add a little funk to the brain. The funk, baby. Pour that store to the mouth and fuck from the out. Read that beat. Bad boy full of fat. It's funk, baby. Machine gun.
Man, they're going hard. Yeah, that was Machine Gun Killer by Biggie Smalls. That shit right there go hard, bro. I ain't even listen to Biggie Smalls at first. But this shit right here, Biggie Smalls was so lyrical, man. Bro, Notorious Biggie, that dude had bars for days. But R.I.P. to him, y'all. The song was amazing, y'all. And especially like the part where, I don't know what they said. I think they said I live motherfucker, a dumb motherfucker, or something like that, man. But the song was good. Drop a like, subscribe, hit that bell. And I'm still in the field. Oh, and shout out to the person who requested this, but it was a good song. Request, and I still in the field. Peace.